Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Eurnzd Forex Traders. I'm here with a trade recap of how I managed to make $2,300 on Eurnzd. For that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so this is what happened, right? So the first trade we took on Eurnzd was actually a loss. This is a loss we took. So you can clearly see that we had a beautiful setup right here. We had a rally based drop supply zone, and then the market came to us in the form of a compression. We had multiple rejections right there, which prompted me to actually send this particular signal. And guess what happened? I was able to take a loss on this particular trade, and I lost about $350 on this trade alone. Alright, so what ended up happening is that the market actually took us out because my stop loss was a little bit too tight, and the market just literally just tapped us out, and the market decided to drop. So later on, I saw the market giving us this beautiful drop right there, and guess what? I was able to send the second re-entry of this particular trade, as you can see right here. The first trade was here, and this was the second re-entry, and guess what? The market dropped massively after that re-entry, and this trade was taken yesterday. The stop loss was literally 13 pips, and our target was 296 pips. And so far, the market has dropped over 200 pips, which is amazing. And right now, the trade is actually running over $2,300, which is absolutely insane, right? So let me just show you the rest of the video. Let me just show you the rest of the breakdown of what made me take this particular trade. So let's start from the higher time frame right here. So if you go to the daily time frame, you're going to realize that the overall trend of this particular trade is down. Therefore, I'm looking only for sell opportunities, right? So let's drop to the 1 hour time frame, where we're going to look for structure and the order block. So right here, you can clearly see that we have a rally based drop supply zone, which is amazing. So one thing to note in this particular setup is that we had this big momentum candles that was left by the smart money concept. You guys, you know what I'm talking about. So whenever we have big moves like this, we know that these big moves are caused by the smart money guys. So therefore, what we do is we find the footprints of the smart money guys. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about order block. So I dropped to the 5 minutes time frame to try and find my order block. It was not really clear right there. So let's try to check on the 3 minutes time frame. It's very important for you to do your multiple time frame analysis so that you avoid actually can reduce your stop loss level, so that you're able to actually increase your lot size, right? It's very important. So I was able to find my order block right there. After that, I just waited for the price to come to my level. So we had a rally based drop supply zone with a clean break by this momentum candle, which is very significant, and the market came to us with a nice compression right there. And always whenever you find the compression, that is always followed by a big momentum candle. That's very significant. So when we had that, we took our first entry following these beautiful rejections right there. The market took us out, went to the upside, and we took a loss like I've shown you. And then the market actually gave us another opportunity to re-enter, and this is how we were able to take this particular trade from here, this trade right here from here. And then now the market has dropped over 200 pips after our entry, which is absolutely amazing. And the market right now is running over $2,300, which is absolutely amazing. And guess what? These trades were shared with our private community, right? So these are the benefits that you get when you're actually part of our signals community, and we get to actually share all these trades with you guys. This was absolutely amazing. Of course, this reminds us of one thing, right? So you always have to know what you're looking for in the market. You have to be very specific with the things that you're looking for in the market. So if I didn't really know what I was looking at, I would have given up on the first trial, right? But the market just took us out and then decided to drop, right? So It was actually here, it was actually my fault because my stop loss was a little bit too tight, which which is what I do, right? And my stop losses are actually very, very tight. So I know when my setup is invalidated. If this market had continue to go up, yes, I'd have ignored this, but this market still gave me another chance to actually re-enter. And whenever you get the chance like that, please make sure that you take advantage of that, because that can be the next big trade that you've been waiting for. So this is how we're able to catch this 1 to 16. Actually, it's 1 to 14 risk to reward ratio. My stop loss is almost like 13 pips. It's a 1 to 16 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely insane. This is almost like 200 pips, and it was shared with a private community, which is amazing. So another bonus is, let me just show you another one right here. Euro GBP, it's still running as well. The stop loss was just 4 pips and our target was 62 pips, and this trade so far has dropped over 40 pips, and now it's retracing, and it's now almost like 30 pips. And this trade was actually shared with our private community as well just this morning. You can clearly see the trade was actually here. There's a rally based drop supply zone with equal highs right there. Equal highs were taken out. The market came to our rally based drop supply zone beautifully like that, and we saw the market dropping, and we was able to take this particular trade as well. And this is how it turned out. I entered from right there, risking about $200, and now the market is up almost like $600, which is absolutely insane. So today is Friday. I'm looking to close these particular trades today before I actually get to go to sleep. So this was absolutely insane, and all these were shared with our private community. All right, so make sure you have a strategy that you're able to follow that has proven to be profitable. And if you don't have the strategy, we have the link in the description that takes you to our course. You can actually have the access to the course, and you have a lot of benefits from that. All right, so if you want signals, there's a Telegram link in the description. Check that out so you can actually inbox me, and we're able to actually do everything for you guys. So I wanted to share this video with you guys. I hope you found it informative. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and do all that good stuff. You guys enjoy your weekend. Until next time, goodbye.